Dividend alone don't make you rich. It's how you choose them. There are 3 things you must always look at in choosing dividend-paying stocks. The first one is the dividend yield. That is how much cash you get back each year from dividend relative to the stock price. It is calculated as annual dividend per share divided by the stock price per share multiplied by 100. The second thing to look out for in choosing dividend-paying stocks is their payout ratio. This shows the percentage of a company's profit it pays out as dividends to shareholders. So let's say a company's payout ratio is 60%. That means the company pays 60% of the profit they get as dividends to their shareholders, and the rest is kept for reinvesting, payment of debt, or savings. Now, the payout ratio is calculated as total dividend paid all over the net income multiplied by 100, or dividends per share divided by earnings per share multiplied by 100. The last thing to also look out for in choosing dividend-paying stocks is consistency. Do they pay dividend every year? Imagine Company A that pays a dividend of 0.5 pesos every year for 5 years, compared to Company B paying 0.8 pesos as dividend 3 times in the same year period. You realized Company A will give you more profit in dividends for that year period as compared to Company B, although the dividend price of Company B yearly is higher as compared to Company A. This is why consistency really matters, because the goal is not just to make money once. The goal is to build income that keeps coming again and again every year.